Incwadi kaLuka chapter 23 verse 46. Ndifuna lesilesi ngapha kuwo. Jesus called out with a loud voice, "Father, into your hands I commit my spirit." When he had said this, he breathed his last. Apha simbona uThixo eyigqibile konke. Manibonke igama lenkosi. Yazi ndithe ndihleli phansi kwakwavile ethi iBhayibhile exethena umpostoli Pawulos uthi xa imgqala uTimothy uthi yabona ke ngoku ndiyanikelo njengeselo. Manibonke igama. Uthi I'm being offered like a drink offering. Uthi xa imshiya imgqala uthi ukhumbula indlela zami. Manibonke igama lenkosi. Uthi ungasilibali isipho ongasifumanayo ngokubeka izandla ngamadoda amakhulu. Uvile yathi inkonzo iqhibe. Ngokuyadila inkonzo.
Glory to God.
Sibone siqhubile inkonzo. Esenhlungwini. Yona umkhondwana yobuyaliwa. Iqhibe inkonzo. Capacity. The people watch. I'm going to come on the bus. I want you to tell my family. They are good to God. The people watch. I'm going to come on the bus. I'm going to come on the bus. You must have come on somewhere. But I stand with this. I'm going to come on the bus. But I set the phone. They are good to God. They are good to God. I'm going to come on the bus. I know you do. The people watch.
Glory to God.
Look at your hands. I come with my spirit. Now we are seeing. Now we are seeing. I want you to worship. My friends, God. I'm coming to my place. I got suicide. What a father into your hands. How many months you want to? We are manager and seeker. Open the rules. You're with Yam. Look at Katama. Open the rules of Western. Open the door. Open the door. And money to buy. Open the rules. Open the from A to Z. From